What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. With the video of today, it's all about the DJI Phantom 3, and this is a standard. Well, I got an error, and I would like to share with you guys something. So there's a red blinking, not only blinking but just some red, I hope you can see that, this red stuff here which appeared on the controller. Now the controller cannot or can never be paired. I really was searching a solution on YouTube. By far most thing I came across something, but I thought that I could just express it in a way whereby you can understand. Now perhaps sometimes you have your controller somewhere and it has fell down, right? Now if it has fell down, there are fixes which you can apply. You don't need to buy a new controller because it's a bunch of money, you know, you have to save that money. Now from this kind of thing which I'm going to share with you guys is quite easy. First thing first, you need to remove all the screws at the back. All the screws portion you have to remove, but except one which I noticed, this one here. This is not a screw. Don't remove anything. Don't just, you know, just push any, you know what I'm saying? So don't do that. Just ignore that and focus on opening the controller. After you've opened your controller, now let me share with you how I did it. Move it this way, you keep your screws safe, and after that you just have to twist things just somewhere here. Just keep on twisting. You see this plate here, this of the antenna, just keep on pushing it this way up to it comes forward. You see, next time, but you have just to do it. Now after that, you see, you have opened your controller just like that. Now from this side of the controller, something which is so epic and something which is so good, you have to focus on this plate here of the Wi-Fi. This kind of plate, you'll find it has removed all the pins. I hope you can see from there all the pins that are removed, right? Just push it somewhere here. Just keep on pushing it down up to there. When it reaches it down up to the last portion of the pins, they're like IO pins. So after that, you're safe. Now you can just turn off your controller. You return everything as normal. Just bring it down, then take your plate, the upper plate of the controller, return it to the safe place, then keep on squeezing it as how you did it. You heard that? That's what's up. It needs to be hearing that, like the sound which it gives throughout the controller. It's so important. Now after that, you're done. Turn on your controller just like this way, just turning it on just like that, and I'm gonna just turn on the DJI Phantom 3. Now I'm gonna just do this way, 1 2 3, then it's gonna power up. Now we're gonna spot that this red will turn on green because the drone has turned on and the controller was not pairing, but right now it will just be pairing. Just check it out. Voila. In a moment. Yeah. Just like that, we have get our controller back to work. Now that problem, if you get it, just know that you open up your controller and yeah, what's happening here? Okay, let me just keep the DJI, it's freaking me out. Now that's how you fix your controller. Now next time you get a problem like that, you can just do that easy peasy fix. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, make sure that you give a thumbs up. You're new here, my name is Abdurrahim13. Consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I'll really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next video. As always, stay sharp and creative and make a better content out there. So yeah, that's what's up, and peace.